Prepare to embark on a culinary journey to Italy, as we explore the artistry and flavors behind our homemade lasagna. Lasagna, a timeless Italian classic, is a labor of love that brings together a symphony of ingredients: delicate pasta sheets, rich tomato sauce, savory ground beef, velvety bechamel sauce, and melted mozzarella cheese. Each layer, a brushstroke in the masterpiece. The creation of lasagna is a culinary art. Begin by boiling pasta sheets to perfection, then gently sautéing garlic and onions until they release their tantalizing aroma. Next, layer the pasta, ladling on hearty meat sauce, ensuring every inch is enveloped in Italian tradition. As it bakes, the kitchen is filled with mouth-watering aromas, and the lasagna transforms into a masterpiece. The cheese, slowly melting, turns into a golden blanket, embracing the layers below. Your fork glides effortlessly through the layers, revealing the ultimate comfort food. The pasta, tender and yielding, the sauce, an explosion of deep, robust flavors, and the cheese, an irresistible, gooey embrace. Italian lasagna transcends the realm of mere food. It's about gathering with loved ones, sharing stories, and creating unforgettable moments around the dinner table. So, why not create your own memories tonight? Dive into the world of homemade lasagna and experience the magic that Italians have cherished for centuries. It's a recipe that warms the heart and satisfies the soul.